Ladies and gentlemen, let me show you what makes my day at the range extraordinary. Today, I've got the Wheelhouse Do All trap machine and the KOFS shotgun. The Wheelhouse isn't just a thrower, it's basically your personal clay launcher assistant. It holds up to 50 clay targets and launches them over 55 yards. And it reloads within 2.5 seconds, which means the action never slows down. But the real fun, the built-in wobbler kit. Instead of throwing clays at the same time, it makes them fly unpredictably, just like real birds. So every shot becomes a challenge. Wow, that was fun. Find out more about our KOFS shotguns, the Do All, Wheelhouse and Laporte clays at your nearest dealer. Read more about all of these products in the April edition of Wildland magazine.